Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tony. I wanted to do a quick TA on Bitcoin just because it's not exactly selling off because it's still above 45K and it's around that 47K mark. As of right now, historically, it looks like this candle, once it closes in about 21 hours, so probably more than likely tomorrow, around maybe like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, this will more than likely be the last candle that actually gets created before we either move to the upside or drop all the way back down to 45K. So I cannot see us trading sideways from here. I don't think we're going to trade sideways. After this candle gets closed, we're actually going to drop down to 45K, or we're going to run up back to 48,000. In which case, if we do go back to 48K, I do think we're going to keep going up towards 50K. If we drop back to 45K, we're getting really close to that August 30th date of us closing possibly a bearish week, in which case I still think that Bitcoin can sell off about 30 to 60% along with every other crypto in the market. Again, I'm not saying this is going to happen, but it's definitely a big possibility. I don't think I'm going to take any profit on anything. If everything comes crashing down, I'll probably just up my positions on a lot more, on all the crypto that I currently hold, probably just buy more. But again, I do think that from here, this should be the last candle close before we see either a move up, back up to 48K, or a move down to $45,000. And if we hit 45K, if we go back down, I do think that's going to be kind of an indicator that we're starting to trail down a little bit. Because look at that. I mean, I would not be surprised if we close a bearish week at the end of August. So August 30th, roughly, whatever, maybe the next week, right? So I do think that not this week we're gonna be closing a bearish week, but next week. I think which ends in what does it end on? 30th, like the 6th or 7th. I don't remember what day it's gonna end, but at the end of that closing week, there's a very strong chance again that we sell off about 30 to 60% back to like this level and stuff. But again, for right now, I am a little bit more bullish. We did just create a bull trigger towards the upside. If anything, I can see us running possibly like $2,000 from here. So the lows of this 4-hour close. So from 46, possibly back up to maybe like 48K before dropping to the downside. But again, very short-term stuff right now. There's not really a lot to look at Bitcoin. I think there's two things that can happen. We either rally from here to 48K, in which case we actually keep moving to 50, or if we drop to 45K, I think there's a chance that we dump all the way back down to 40K. So there's a lot of things can happen, and I think it really depends on Friday, Saturday, where we are on price. That really depends if we're going to $50,000 or we're dumping all the way back to 40K on Bitcoin. So there's definitely a lot of stuff to be looking in the crypto market right now. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.